Today we're taking a closer look at the Caddy Talk Cube Rangefinder. This thing looks amazing. It's unlike any other rangefinder I've reviewed so far. But is this the game changer you've been looking for? And can it improve your game? Let's take a closer look together and I'll share whether it's actually worth the price tag or whether you should consider spending your money elsewhere. Keep watching and we'll get into all of the details. First thing that stands out about this Cube rangefinder is the size. It's one of the smallest rangefinders on the market. The only rangefinder smaller is the Minimi Rangefinder, also from Caddy Talk. And if you want to see my review, you should click this link here, but only after you've watched this video, hit that like button and smash subscribe. It's got quite an industrial look with a cuboid shape and metallic frame. This might not be for everyone, but if you're looking to stand out on the course, break away from the carbon copy generic white plastic rangefinders, then this could be the perfect choice for you. But we all know it's not just about looks, it's what's inside that really matters. So let's talk about those features. First up, it's got Caddy Mode. This tech allows for triangulation measurements. You might be thinking, what on earth's triangulation measurements? Well, basically this means that you can measure the distance from your ball to the pin even when you're not standing next to the ball. I think this is perfect if you play a course which is cart path only. If you use Caddy Mode, you can scan your ball, scan the flag and get the distance all from the comfort of your cart. The next standout feature is Magic Slope, also known as M Slope. This is where the rangefinder not only takes the slope angle and distance into consideration, it also understands the ball flight trajectory of your shot and takes this into consideration when calculating the distance. If this all sounds a bit technical, it basically means that it's far more accurate. It also has E-Slope. Now this adjusts for environmental conditions like temperature, altitude and humidity. This is really important if you play in hot climates or if you travel to play golf abroad. It's got other features you'd expect like pin finder jolt, LCD display and 6x magnification. It also measures up to 1,000 yards, but who needs to measure that far when the average par 5 is less than 600 yards? I took the cube out onto the course and found it really accurate. It quickly returned a reading as you'd expect and I found it easy to use. I compared it to my Golf Buddy GPS watch and the distances were comparable with no obvious differences. Compared to other rangefinders on the market, the Cube holds its own with its features. It's priced at a premium, but for the technology it might just be worth it. But what didn't I like? Well, first of all, the white rangefinder case won't stay that colour for long, so if you do make the purchase, I'd recommend choosing a black pouch. The only other point worth noting is that although I've not got the biggest hands, I do have fat fingers and it was actually a bit fiddly adjusting the focus on the scope each time. However, after extensive testing and some not great golf, I believe the Caddy Talk Cube is a solid choice for golfers who value tech and precision. But is this a rangefinder that can genuinely improve your game? No, gadgets can't help your game. If you want to improve, get lessons and practice more. So, would you consider adding this to your golf bag? Let me know in the comments below. If you're still considering which rangefinder to buy, I'd recommend watching this video next, and I'll catch you in the next one.